In this video, I'll show you how you can set Nvidia as your default graphics card on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, what you want to do is right click on your desktop and open up the Nvidia control panel. Now once this is opened, you can head over to Configure, Surround, PhysX, go to Processor and choose the card that you want. After you've done that, you can close this one down, and if you want to do it for a specific game, what you can do is you can right click on your desktop and go to Display Settings, scroll down and find Graphic Settings. In here you should be able to see the games that you have installed. If you click on it and go to Options, you'll see that I have the choice to change which one I have it on. Now if I have different ones, I might have another one for power saving, which is not this one, but as you can see, both of my Nvidia GeForce is on these ones. But if you have another one, you might be able to change between them just here. And that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.